Hello and welcome to this video on DevOps. In today's rapidly changing digital landscape, businesses are under constant pressure to deliver high-quality software applications to their customers quickly and efficiently. DevOps has emerged as a key methodology for achieving this goal. In this video, we'll explore the basics of DevOps, its benefits, and how it can help businesses of all sizes. DevOps is a combination of software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It is a methodology that promotes collaboration and communication between development teams and operations teams to automate the software delivery process. The goal of DevOps is to shorten the development cycle, increase deployment frequency, and ensure that applications are delivered quickly and reliably. DevOps involves the integration of various tools and technologies to create a collaborative and streamlined software delivery process. These tools and technologies include version control systems. Version control systems such as Git, SVN, and Mercurial are used to manage changes to source code and enable collaboration between development teams. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, tools. CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI automate the build, testing, and deployment processes. Configuration management tools. Configuration management tools such as Puppet, Chef, and Ansible are used to manage and automate infrastructure configuration. Monitoring and logging tools. Monitoring and logging tools such as Nagios, New Relic, and ELK Stack are used to monitor and analyze the performance of applications and infrastructure. DevOps offers many benefits to organizations, including faster time to market. DevOps enables organizations to deliver software applications faster, which helps them stay ahead of the competition. Increased efficiency. DevOps helps eliminate inefficiencies in the software delivery process, reducing the time and effort required to deploy applications. Better collaboration. DevOps promotes collaboration between development and operations teams, leading to better communication, more effective problem-solving, and faster issue resolution. Improved quality. By automating the testing and deployment process, DevOps helps ensure that software applications are of high quality and free of defects. Increased scalability. DevOps enables organizations to scale their infrastructure quickly and efficiently to meet the demands of their applications and users. DevOps involves a set of practices that enable development and operations teams to work together more effectively. These practices include continuous integration, CI, the practice of continuously integrating code changes into a single repository, allowing for faster feedback and issue resolution. Continuous delivery, CD, the practice of continuously delivering software applications to production environments, allowing for faster deployment and release cycles. Infrastructure as code, IAC, the practice of managing infrastructure through code, enabling the automation of infrastructure deployment and management. Continuous testing, the practice of continuously testing software applications throughout the development cycle to ensure high quality. In addition to these practices, DevOps also involves a cultural shift that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and shared responsibility between development and operations teams. DevOps teams are typically cross-functional and self-organizing, with members from development, operations, quality assurance, and other areas working together to deliver software applications. DevOps is an essential methodology for organizations looking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. By promoting collaboration and automation, DevOps helps organizations deliver high-quality software applications quickly and reliably. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, DevOps can help you achieve your software delivery goals and stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on computer security and technology. See you next time.